Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unlike other photo albums you create, you can choose an audience for individual photos in your timeline photos and mobile uploads albums. Facebook Help Team. Go to your profile and click Photos. Click Albums. Use the Audience Selector tool under each album to change the privacy to Only Me.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To edit the privacy settings for your photo albums, click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Click Photos, then click Albums. Click the album you want to change the privacy settings for. Click in the top right, then click Edit Album. Click Friends to control who can see your album. Click Save.
Let's help you make your mark.
To can edit the privacy settings for your photo albums you've posted. Go to your profile and click Photos. Click Albums. Use the Audience Selector tool under each album to control who can see your album.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.